Hi everybody, Stefan here, and today I want to show you a headlamp from Sofirn. Hi, first, if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel, and also if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, that's it with the preamble. Now to the video. This is the Sofirn SP40, which is a headlamp that is strapped to this harness, and here on these 2 points you put it in, and they are also indicated as 2 points on the light itself. I'm showing you right away what's in the package, so we don't have to deal with that later on. Here's a USB cable, because this light is USB rechargeable. Here is a smaller main body, which I'll show you in a bit because that's very interesting. Let's keep this outside. Here we have the manual. It comes in 2 or 3 languages. It's very easy to understand and very well written, which you can't always say for Chinese manuals and texts in general. Here you get 2 spare O-rings, of course some silica gel, and the contact information. In this case, this is here you have the number, their web address, and also their email. That's all that's in the box. I won't bother with the harness a lot because I don't use it as a headlamp. I use it as a 90-degree lamp. I have no use for a headlamp, but for this kind of lamp I use quite a bit. I had a Phoenix before. I'm not sure which model that was, but it wasn't as strong as this one. But this has an 18650 battery, which is this size, as you know, so it takes up a good amount of space. And if I change the main body and put the small one on, I can put in 18350 or 16340 batteries. I could only find a 16340, but it works too. You put the small battery in and it works too, just as bright as you are used to, only not as long, of course, because this one doesn't have as much power reserve as the strong 18650. They did a great job with the size of this thing, because if I take the previously smallest 18650 light that I own, the Olight S30R, you can see this one is a whole lot smaller. But that's of course understandable, because the reflector and the LED are on the side. I haven't spoken about power yet, by the way, because this one is also very, very bright. It goes into a turbo mode of 1200 lumens, which is fantastic for such a small light, and it can withstand it for quite a long time. If you are in the turbo mode, it gives out 4620 candela and throws up to a distance of 136 meters. The LED, which I'm showing you here, I hope it's easy to see, is a Cree XPL LED, which is built for a duration of 50,000 hours, but again, I wanna see the guy who uses one flashlight for 50,000 hours. Just convert it to, I mean 50,000, yeah, 50,000 hours even. Just convert this to days, you won't even live as long. Your great grandson can file a claim. By the way, this is 6061 aircraft grade aluminum and HA3 anodized. Yeah, I think I told you everything about this. The UI is simple. You press once for power on and once for power off. I mean, you click it and you keep it pressed to rotate between the power modes. Only difference is if you want the turbo mode, then you double click it and you go into the turbo mode and double click again and you're back. There is no strobe or anything. By the way, it has a, if you turn it on, it will glow green, which means it's more than 30% filled. I think it's 30%. Or red, which means it's under 30%, and if it flashes red, then it's high times to reload. You can see here, you just have to take this off and then you have access to the power intake, which is micro USB. By the way, the water resistance of this thing is IPX7, which means 1 meter for about 20 minutes. But it's pretty secure. You wouldn't want to go swimming with it, but it can protect you during a very heavy rainstorm, and you can hold it in front no problem. So really strong splashes of water are no problem. I think we did everything. This light costs 30 euros, so I don't know what it would cost in the States. But if you live in Europe, you best order it through Amazon Germany. A friend of mine ordered his there too from Denmark, so this is not a big deal to order from Amazon Germany. And if you live overseas, I put in a link as well. Here again, a size comparison, my until now smallest 18650, and here are some 16340 for comparison. This one is actually very new. Just so you see, there isn't, except for the battery tabs, there isn't a lot of room that is not used. And again, if you don't use it as a headlamp but a 90-degree light as I will use it. Okay, that's it for the video. Thanks to Sofirn for providing a sample. What I forgot was to show you some footage, which I am doing right now. Okay, we have 5 lumens for 220 hours, 90 lumens for 15 hours, 450 lumens for 4 hours and 10 minutes, and 1200 lumens for 1 hour and 50 minutes. You probably didn't notice a lot of difference from the last one, but that is because the camera puts a cap on the maximum light you see. By the way, the battery that's inside This light is a 3000 milliamp Sofirn branded battery. Here I'm showing you that you don't always need full strength to see enough. Okay, and now some pictures from outside and inside. It throws a pretty broad blast, so that's why you probably can't see it well, although when I was filming I could see very well the point it did on the buildings. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. Again, the light is available at the places that I marked in the description. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps the video to get seen by more people, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. It'll really help my channel to grow and finally reach the 1000 subscribers. If you have any questions or suggestions, just leave them in the comments and I'll answer each and every one of them. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.